Hello friends, in this video I will show how to make picture transparent in Microsoft Word like this. So click on insert, then shape, select any style shape. Now right click on your shape, then click on format shape. Now expand this fill, select here picture. Now insert the picture. Now here is the option transparent. You can adjust the transparent as your requirement. Here you can make more changes. Then click anywhere. You want to remove this shape outline, select it, shape format and shape fill. So shape outline, so select no outline and click anywhere. So thanks for watching.